Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove rear door panel on Lexus CT200. Let's start with these trim tools. First we need to remove this plastic cover. Oops, what is behind the hidden Phillips screw. Then the other hidden screw is underneath this small carpet. Still a Phillips screw. Then you can try by hand, but if you cannot lift up by hand, use the plastic trim tools for disconnect the window switch. Okay, then next we need to remove this plastic first. Nothing broken. Yes, these slips start from this corner. Yeah, here is a little clips. If you start from here, you should be broken this little ear, and after is not tight enough. Not tight enough when you want to put it back. Alright, all screw is out. Let's check any other hidden screw, but looks no. Then around this you can put in the fingers and just one hard pull and door card start, release the clips. All right, looks like this, and then lift it up. All right, okay, we need to disconnect now. Let's show the door lock cable. It is behind this, and the handle cable. What is this? All right, nothing else. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.